Hey, Zacchaeus. Can we get something to eat? I'm hungry.
What?
Can we get something to eat?
What time is it?
What? It's 1 a.m. Go to sleep. Stewie,
Yes.
can we get something to eat?
What time is it?
Shut up, Sebastian!
It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, but pigeons eat at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Shut up!
Shut up.
Wow, you guys are grumpy today.
My God, I can't get comfortable. Oh my God! Stop moving. Just go to sleep.
Yeah, please.
Things are saying. My butt looks big in these pants.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Go to sleep.
You too, Stewie. Swear to God.
I'm on your side.
Hey, ow! Ow! Hey, come on, dude. I'm hungry. Ow.
Here we get off there.
What? Ow! Ow! Ow!
Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Get off, Stewie.
I was just jumped by a new gang this morning. And it's 1 o'clock in the morning!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Spread my wings and fly away!
Crap.
Baritone.